This tutorial will explain to you how your net worth is calculated in the budget game. The calculation itself is quite simple. It's your total assets minus your total liabilities. As you play the budget game, you may find that the net worth calculation is a little bit tricky to compute. So in this tutorial, I'll dive deeper into the components that make up your net worth. Take a look at my account. My net worth total is only $414, despite the fact that I have $500 in my savings account and over $1,000 in my checkings account. The reason for this is because I haven't yet factored into consideration all of my liabilities. If I take a closer look at my account, I can see that I currently owe $300 on my credit card and I have over $600 in outstanding bills. Outstanding bills comprises of all of the bills that you can find on your left-hand panel, which includes your rent, your cell phone, your energy bill, TV, internet, car insurance, and car payment bill. All of these expenses added up together means I still owe quite a substantial amount of money, and my overall net worth is actually quite small. Building your net worth should be one of your core objectives in the budget game. Throughout this game, you'll be faced with the reality that we often don't realize. That even though we have a lot of money saved in our bank account, we may still be worth very little if we've accumulated a ton of debt and have outstanding bills to pay. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.